Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you will get 12 testers for proper cross testing, and I want to tell you that you can get 12 testers, and just contact me in this WhatsApp number, and you can contact also me in Telegram ID and email ID mentioned in this screen. I will provide you 20 testers, okay? But Google Play only required 12 testers. I will provide you 20 testers, and they will test your application from all devices and for 14 days continuously. Also, every tester after testing your application send me proof of testing in Telegram group, and you can ask me anytime of your application report that how many testers tested your application, and I guarantee your application will get production access in first try, okay? Because Google Play only required 12 testers and we are providing you 20 testers. Just this is simple thing. You will get approval in first try. Okay. Just contact me in this WhatsApp number, Telegram ID, or email ID, wherever it is mentioned on your screen. Okay. And everything else. And price. This is paid service. Okay. This is not free service. Price is mentioned here. I don't know where is mentioned, but this is in this video. Price may be mentioned. And you can pay through UPI, Binance, crypto, USDT, anything you want. PayPal also, PayPal, CoinDCX, anything you want, you can pay. Okay. I'm also available in freelancer.com, Upwork. You can buy our service from anywhere. Okay. And if you want buy instantly, then you can contact me in this WhatsApp number. Okay. And we have experience of testing more than 160 applications in last 8 to 9 months. Okay, in last 8 to 9 months we have tested more than 160 applications with 100% approval rate, and no any one single application get rejected. Our 100% approval guaranteed work. Okay, so contact me now.